What is going on YouTube? Today we got an install video on the Jeep Gladiator. On one of my previous install on this Gladiator are these Oracle PreRunner lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and change those out with the Quadratec PreRunner lights. So my issue with these are, if you could see the washer bolts, they rust over time. They still work, but I mean, that looks pretty bad. We're gonna go ahead and change those out with the Quadratec PreRunner lights. Tools you guys are gonna need are diagonal cutters or dikes, a Phillips screwdriver, a trim removal tool. If you guys don't have a trim removal tool, use a flathead screwdriver. As you can see guys, the Quadratec PreRunner lights, they're well built. They even covered all your wires with these wire covers, and they use these like rubber grommets instead of those metal washers that could rust. They also come with the spacers that goes between your grill, so it fits on there and it looks OE compared to these. These PreRunner lights work for the Jeep Wrangler JL and also the Jeep Gladiator. The only difference from installing this on the JL and on the JT are these spacers. So the spacers are for the Gladiator. Make sure you guys specify that. If you have the Wrangler, all you guys are gonna need are the lights. We're gonna start with taking out these push pins and take out the grill. Alright, so once you guys get all those push pins out, we're gonna pop the grill out. Just be careful, you got clips back here, so all you gotta do is just pop all those clips out and the whole grill would come out. Guys, once you pop out your grill out, take your Quadratec PreRunner lights, get the end of it where it tees out, put the T inside this rubber, I would say this rubber space, and just fish it. Like that. Alright, once you guys get that T inside this rubber spacing, you go over here where your washer fluid reservoir is at. Try to fish that end piece out, just like so. And we're gonna route it along here, close to the fender, because the connection for this T is somewhere around here. Alright, after you guys run this T connector, if you look down here next to the brake fluid reservoir, there is a plug right here. You unhook that and you put your T connector between this. Alright, so you hook up one side of T connector to one side of the connection and then the other to the other side. So now your lights are all wired in and hooked up. Now go ahead and just zip tie this wire and make it look neat. And then we'll move up to the front and install those lights. Alright, now we're gonna get our lights, position it, and put it where we want it. So I'm gonna fish it there, and there. So that's where my lights are going. Alright, now we're gonna take our spacers. We're gonna put it over our lights, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and snap the spacer inside one of our spaces. Alright, now once you get the spacers all snapped into this hole, take your light and just push it inside the spacer, and they're all set. That's not going anywhere. So just do it on the last two and we're good to go. Alright, once you guys finish putting those spacers on and the light inside the holes you guys want, go ahead and put the grill back on. Make sure you snap all of the clips go ahead and put all those push pins back in. Once you guys are finished, go ahead and verify those lights, make sure that they turn on. Alright guys, so that's how you install the Quadratec PreRunner lights. These lights so much better. They look OE, and you know, obviously they're not gonna rust like the Oracle ones, and they match my KC lights, so it's all good. So we're all set here. There you guys have it. That's how you install the Quadratec PreRunner lights. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. See what else you guys want me to put on the Gladiator. Obviously I need lift and tires still, but getting there. So alright guys, see you guys on the next Jeep video. Peace.